Good afternoon, Tug.
Good afternoon, Kate. How can you tell it's afternoon?
Oh, because we have hit the silly point.
Yes.
We have hit the silly
I think
point.
they call that slap happy.
Slap happy.
Slap happy.
All right, Kate, Bosma Design. Welcome back. We are at the eSource Miller Culinary Center.
Tug. eSource Miller.
Kate, Bosma Design.
We nailed
it.
Hello.
Nailed it. I think I introduced myself twice now. We have a small audience today, and they are laughing. So we know it's going to be good.
Out. That's not a laugh track you're hearing.
That's not a laugh track. It's not a laugh track.
I loathe the laugh tracks, by the way.
I know, right?
I've never told you that. I loathe.
I believe it. I believe that that's on brand for you.
Yeah.
What is also on brand for you?
Segue.
Is this Hamilton Beach?
Yes.
All right.
This is the Summit Edge.
The Summit Edge
by Hamilton Beach.
This has an edge. I accidentally hit a button a minute ago, and I'm just
it's going to start when you tell it to start. If all the things are in place, it has magnets, it's got sensors, it knows when the container's in there, right? It knows if the lid's down. And when it's there and you hit that start button,
it's going to start.
It's going to start.
It's going to start. It's very receptive.
Yeah.
It is BPA free.
It is capacitive touch.
All right.
You didn't know I had the marketing terms down.
No, I did not.
It's got a 3.5 peak motor as well.
Oh,
3.5 horsepower. Man, I almost messed that up. 3.5 horsepower peak motor.
All right, and so this does come with this little quiet cover.
Yes,
it's a quiet cover because it's called
Quiet Blend Technology.
Yes.
I'm like a marketing person's dream.
Yes, so much so. And despite what it looks like, we haven't been making margaritas.
Not yet.
Although this is a perfect machine for it. Like, it blends ice like nobody's business.
Yes, the whole idea of this is for an open kitchen, obviously an open bar, maybe a coffee bar, something like that.
Yes.
Right? That we don't want to have it be very loud because I don't know if you've ever been around a blender. So you want a little like peek behind the curtain. I'm a big fan of smoothies. I make them pretty often. I'll also make them like dessert time. I'll make them breakfast time. They're typically all the same. It's always a dessert style. So I would do it after my kids would go to bed, and I would wrap like towels around the blender to try to keep it, quiet.
Oh wow,
so
muffle that sound.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you do not have to wrap things in towels with this.
Nope, not at all. So today we are gonna make my breakfast smoothie, which is really a dessert more than a breakfast.
That's all the good. Smoothie's a smoothie.
It's all the same. So
all right.
We're gonna open up this lid. We've got the container within. Kate, what do you have in front of you?
I have approximately 10 ounces of milk.
Look at that. And is it?
This will be lactose-free milk because Kate.
And Tug.
We don't do lactose.
It's not that we don't want to.
No.
It doesn't want to.
It does not like us. That is TMI. All right,
you're gonna put in, go ahead.
Oh no, I'm going to continue to do my
you're
chocolate.
Gonna do it the whole time that I put in this. So we're gonna put in a little honey for sweet.
You could also use agave. You could use almost anything that you wanted,
could use
right?
actual sweeteners, right? Of like sugar.
Sugar.
If you want to do that, Splenda stuff. We're gonna go ahead and open the banana. By the way, how do you open the banana, Kate?
The monkey style.
I don't think we could say that. And this banana, see how there's no like trying to fight with the top of that banana? No, you just pinch the bottom, it opens right on up.
Oh, some protein.
Yeah,
we're being healthy today.
Yeah. Peanut butter, you could use Nutella if you wanted to. You could use sunflower butter as another one if you wanted to, almond butter. And then the last thing.
Oh, ice, hold on.
Ice.
We're doing this where the camera can't see us.
Shoot.
Come on now.
Good
camera.
TV.
Camera.
That's probably about right. We'll see. All right, so we're gonna put that lid right on. We're gonna put that
I'm gonna give that
into
to you.
The unit here. It's much easier when you're standing in front of it. We're gonna go ahead and close that down. And then with this, we have pre-program. Right?
Okay.
So it already has a bunch of pre-programs with it in it. It actually has a little card that shows you how, timing of them. Or one really great thing, we have
the auto sensor.
Auto.
This one has the auto sensor.
Yes. So right down here.
Right here is going to be my auto sensor. You can tell because it's an A.
It is the auto blend technology.
Auto blend technology.
Really, I am on top of this. It is not loud compared to most blenders. So what it's doing is just kind of sensing how easily the blades are moving.
Okay.
The blades are really not moving very easily. It's not going to stop yet. Obviously it just did because
it's done.
The perfect
It's auto sensing.
Yes, so we're gonna go ahead and open that up. I happen to have some cups here.
Yay!
Surprise!
Look at that.
Here we go.
We might be prepared for this, y'all.
Every once in a while. Every once in a while, blue moon, all that, blind squirrel, here we are. All right, taking that off.
Okay, I'll take that from you.
You take that from me.
Oh, that looks so good.
Is that for you?
Thank you.
Is that for me? So, if you have any questions, if you want to have a smoothie with us, because we're a lot of fun.
We're a lot of fun.
First off, we're delightful.
We're delightful.
Yes. Please reach out. Kate, thank you very much for your time.
No, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank y'all.